Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to trade MetaTrader 5 and where you can log in. First of all you have to do is download the application MetaTrader 5 and open the app once downloaded. From here on this section you have to click on the plus icon on the top. From here you have to click on the hamburger menu on the top left corner. From here you have to click on get started. From here you have to click on the plus icon on the top right corner. From here you can search and find the brokers, or you can click on MetaQuotes Limited here. Now from here you will see two options: open a demo account, or you can log into an existing account. You can type in your login credential, for example login and password, and select the server and click on save password. And then after that you have to click on login, or I will select the open a demo account, and these are all of my whatever you can see the credentials, and then I will click on registers, and you have to enter your first name, your second name, your phone number and email address, and then you have to click on register. Once you're registered you have to sign in with the credentials, and that's how you can trade with MetaTrader 5, and that's how to log in into this application. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.